Communication. So when you think about communication, one of the things again was eye contact. But what were you doing in making that eye contact?
Acknowledging someone.
Yeah, you were making sure that the person that you were actually trying to communicate with, in this instance throwing a tennis ball to, was actually ready to receive it, so that you'd made contact with them, there was an understanding there that you wanted to impart some information, you wanted to impart something, and you'd made sure that they were ready to receive it. So,
Recording.
What was that?
Recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Analytical skills. What's the point of gathering research if in the end nothing's coming out of it?
Yeah. Anything else?
Well, you've got to know how to write a report, really, you know.
Okay, so good writing skills. Okay, so that comes under communication. What about actually when you're carrying out research yourself and you've got lots of different things to manage and stuff?
Organisation skills.
Organisation.
Project management.
Definitely. You need to be organised. Anything else? What about when you're doing research with young people and with people? What kind of person do you think you have to be?
Interactive.
Yeah? What was that?
Confident.
Confident, yeah, confident. Friendly.